Hello friends, welcome back. In this tutorial we are going to learn about alter table statement in SQL. Hey, if you are new into my channel, make sure you have pressed the subscribe button below. And if you like this video, don't forget to press the subscribe button. Let's begin. The alter table statement is used to add, delete or modify columns in an existing table. The alter table statement also used to add and drop various constraints on an existing table. So in this video you will learn only add and delete, or that means add or drop a column from an existing table. Okay, so first we will see the add column example. To add a column in an existing table, you need to use this syntax: alter table, then table name, then you need to write add column, then column name, data type. So that's it. Now we will see the person table. Select. We will insert a new column, or we will add a new column in the table name person1. You can see that person1 table is contain only 4 columns. One is customer ID, other one is customer name, customer address and customer city. So suppose your boss is asking you to add another column in this table, then you need to use this statement, SQL statement, which is alter statement. Okay, so now I will show you how you can add a column to an existing table. This is the syntax. So instead of alter table, instead of table name, I will write down person1, because I'm going to add a column inside the person1 table. Okay, then column name. So my column name would be DOB, date of birth, for the customer, right? So date of birth always contain the date, so I will take the data type as date. Okay, so just run the query. Okay, it's saying that DOB is present. So let's check. Sorry. Okay, no problem. We will use another name instead of DOB. Person1 and column name date of birth, and data type would be date. Okay, just you can see it has been added. So let's check by using the select query. You can see date of birth is added here. Suppose your boss is asking you to drop a column from a specified table. In that scenario, you need to use the drop column. So, to delete a column in an existing table, use the following syntax. So this is like the same, just you need to change only here. Instead of add column, you need to write down drop column. Okay, so we will delete date of birth which we have added just now. Then person 1, drop column name is date of birth, and data type is not required when you are dropping a column. Okay, just run this query. So it will asking you before deleting anything that are you really want to delete or not. Just press OK and you will see. Let's check is the column exist or not. You can see the date of birth column is missing from here. So hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. That's it for this video.